Good morning. I'm headed out this morning to check out a local mountain bike trail, which is not something I typically do. I've actually been mountain biking once in the past, so I am by no means an expert, and I am by no means in shape. So this should be an interesting morning. So the place I'm headed to is called Landahl Park, and it's just north of the Blue Springs, Grain Valley, Missouri area. And as far as I know, it's the only mountain bike park here in the area. The other difference being today is I'm only bringing 2 action cameras, so I'm really not sure how this video is going to turn out, but we'll see. just got done with the ride and I am completely beat. However, it was a blast. I had a really good time out there. I just want to say to anybody who thinks that you may be too old, too overweight, whatever, to go out and try something, just put that aside and get out there and try it. Everybody has to start somewhere, and even though you may not be to the level of those who've been doing it for a long time, you can still get out and have a good time. I'm not sure how this video is going to turn out. Like I said, it's kind of outside of my comfort zone as far as filming like this, and I was so tired the last half of the trail that I wasn't moving the cameras around much, so we'll see how it turns out. But anyway, if you did like it, give it a thumbs up below, and I will see you in the next one.